Hey y'all, it's Sheila. Thank you for stopping by and spending a piece of your day with me. What are we doing today? We're cleaning makeup brushes. Do y'all hate that as much as I do, or as much as I used to? I have my favorite makeup brushes I like to use every day, and I would wipe them off every day, on a one of those facial wipes that I don't like to use on my face. I would wipe my brushes off with that and, push it, till the end of the week. And then sometimes I would push it till almost every brush I have is dirty. Y'all can't see all the brushes on this table. Anyway, I no longer hate cleaning makeup brushes. First, Marlene from Marlene Fab and Glam talked about this, and then Tammy from Tammy's Ageless Beauty talked about it, and then Marlene talked about it again. And then I asked Marlene, I said, "Tell me about this stuff." She said, "Oh, it's wonderful. It's Cinema Secrets. I've had this bottle over 6 months. And I clean my makeup brushes all the time now. How do you do it? Well, it doesn't take much. I pour a little into a bowl. I'm going to do this right here in front of you. Let's start with this one. This is a Real Techniques brush. You put the brush into the cleaner, not all the way down. Not all the way down. I'm going to try and do this where you can see it. And then you take a towel. Let's just do it like this. That's a white brush. You didn't know before that it was a white brush. One sweep, one dip, one rub, and it's clean. Now my foundation brushes do take a little longer. Okay, let's do another one. This is what I do bronzer with. Not all the way out. Oh, I can see it. I can see the bronzer coming out. And then let's just put this up here. You see that? Is it clean? I don't know. Let's do another one. It was pretty much clean. And then I just rub it around, get most of the moisture out, do it like that, and go on to the next one. Let's do another bronzer brush. Let me turn my towel over. And I'm using this old towel just so you can see all the stuff coming off. And then I take the brush and do it back and forth, and it's good to go. This brush, this is my transition brush that I love and I use all the time. What's it going to look like? Because y'all know I use a lot of brown. It's white on the tips too, but you couldn't tell that before. I'm going to do it one more time, just see if anything's left. Nothing's really left. And go on to the next one, a pencil brush. Slightly dip it. Yeah, I line under my eyes with that, and sometimes I put that on top with some darker shadow. It's white. It's a white brush too. Never would have known it. Now here's my foundation brush, and sometimes it does take twice. It's one of the foundation brushes I use. Let's see if we can find another spot. Sometimes I do have to do this one twice because it's foundation, it's liquid. Yeah, I need to do it again. A clean brush. These brushes will be ready to use in about 30 minutes or less, depending on the weather. I love this stuff. It has made me quit procrastinating with cleaning my makeup brushes. It takes very little, and you just end up soaking it all up out of whatever container you have it in. You can get this through Sephora, I think Ulta, and Amazon. I told myself I wasn't gonna play with my hair the whole time I was on here, Dave. These bangs are really getting on my nerves. I had a haircut, and yeah, I've really been struggling since that last haircut with my bangs. Anyway, you can get a smaller bottle than this. It is a little pricey. I can't remember exactly how much it is. I'll put it below, but it lasts a really, really long time if you don't overuse it. You never want to stick your brush all the way down in the solution. Here's one I didn't clean. You want to take it about to right here. That's about how far I take it. And it's just simplified things so. And it goes a long way. So if you're a makeup lover who hates cleaning makeup brushes, or you need to buy something for a makeup lover, this would be a great gift. And you can get a smaller bottle. And one of them even comes with a little container or something to pour the solution into to clean your brushes. I just use a glass bowl, but I think it would make a great gift. I really love it. It's been a game changer for me with cleaning my brushes. And let me just say, this is an It cosmetic brush. This is a no-name brush. I don't know, a cheap brush. This is a Tarte brush. This is a Real Techniques brush. Let's see. These are my Hakahodo and Sephora. I cleaned them in it. I cleaned Tom Ford in it. And I cleaned Wayne Goss in it. And it's not messed up any of my brushes. It's just gotten them clean. So there you go. Y'all have a great day. Make it a great day. Every day is truly a great day to have a great day. I know I say that all the time, but it's true. And please, be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Cut yourself some slack. Before I go, let me answer the question. On my lips today is the NYX lip liner, the sharpening one in whipped caviar, and on top of that is a Mille Cordon in powdered rose. That's all I have on. I'll see y'all later. Bye now.